yourself watching this video, thank you and welcome. Today I'm here to introduce myself and tell you what we are all about here. My name is Mary Marino and I bring new life to unwanted furniture or unwanted corners of my home. Some would say that I'm just another woman on the internet with a paintbrush and a couple of tools, but here we do it my way, and that is building home with Mary. So I hope you stick around, click the subscribe button, and ring the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Cheers! And our next project is going to